Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to unlock a user in Oracle Xstore. I have seen many times being a developer, QA or business user, they will struggle if somehow they forget their password and somehow their account got locked. So before moving to the discussion part, let me show you the user will get locked. So for that I do have base Oracle Xstore. You might usually use the 9991 user, and you can see I am able to log in this user. There is no issue at all. So anyhow, suppose I put the wrong for the first time. Again, by mistake I put the wrong password. Now I got okay, I know the password, but my account got logged. Right? So now if I am giving the right password also, so I am not able to log in. If you will see, this is the screen and you are not able to log in into your Xstore system, then just go to the database and there is a one table, HRS employee table, where you need to see. So we are using the 9991 employee. So just see, there is one column name. If you will see, there is one column locked _out.flag. So as soon as you are getting logged out, this flag will become a 1. We need to make as a 0 and logged out time stamp. Sometimes we don't need this one, but sometimes this will become necessary to make this a null value. So you need to just remove this one, or maybe you can run the update query as well. So that's not any issue. So I have just modified here, and then so now you can logged out flag is 0 and logged out time stamp is also null. So again, if I will go and I will try to log in, I got my password. So this is the password. I should be able to log in now. There is no issue at all. So I can make the transaction also. So base item ID. Suppose these are not the items defined in my system, so maybe I am not able to do it. This is the way usually we do the unlocking every user inside the Oracle Xstore. So I am able to log in the back office as well. So you can see. So in this video, this was the I wanted to discuss with you people. If you have learned something, please do like and share and subscribe my channel. And one more thing, you can put me a question on the Xstore, whether it's a functional or technical, and you can contact my team for the full training on the Xstore parts. So we have put a very good explanation of Oracle Xstore architecture in our list. You can go there and watch that one. And another is what are the important configuration files available in the Xstore. So I have covered most of the part, and that is the core of the Xstore system. So that's the video is available also in that channel. You can go through. And another important concept to understand what are the extended transactions available in the Xstore system. That video is also available over there. Apart from these things, if you want to discuss anything as a part of any video, you can just comment me. You can write to me in my mail. I will try to cover that topic as soon as possible. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you so much for watching this video.